Hello, my name's Mike, I'm from Access Irrigation, and in this video we'll be looking at the node controller and specifically the accessories you can get for it. The node controller is extremely clever. It operates 9-volt latching solenoid valves, and if you can see in the back, if I can take this off, it actually has got space for two 9-volt batteries. Because of the 9-volt battery operation, they will last up to 2 years. You'll notice also the sealing on this. Once I push that back, this is actually totally waterproof. So I can take this controller, once I've closed it up, and dip it in a bucket of water and it'll still be all right. Okay, so what accessories can you get? Well, I've wired this up to the solenoid valves, and we'll have spare wires, a yellow wire that's looped and then a grey wire that's open at the moment. So our yellow wire is for a mini click rain sensor. A mini click rain sensor is a really clever, simple operation of when it's of a micro switch inside it, that when it's wet, the cork discs swell up and operate the micro switch, and then will break the connection. So normally it would be closed. If we cut that wire and put our two wires from our rain sensor, when it's under normal situations it's closed, and when it rains it breaks open the circuit and then cuts or suspends the watering program that we set up. That's clever enough, but now we can add a soil moisture sensor. Now a soil moisture sensor obviously measures the water content in the soil itself, so it's very, very accurate. So that wire, you break that connection there and connect your two wires into there from your soil moisture sensor. Now the software that's built into this controller will accommodate the rain sensor and also the soil moisture sensor itself. So on the app, the Node app you can get from Hunter, it will give you a chart, and you'll be able to move the content, water content up and down on that chart, and adjust it according to the sensitivity accordingly on your system. So very, very clever, and also pretty bulletproof as well.